This is the Tractor Supply feed grinder. Um, I've used it a couple times, so I'll give you my opinion. That's about the best I can do. Home use, I think is pretty good. The only thing is, when you first buy it, it comes with these different screens. All this comes with it. I have the biggest screen on it now, and I'll show you what it kind of looks like. Even with the biggest screen on it, it's pretty well cornmeal, if you can see it. I don't know that you'd want it much finer than that. The only real downfall I found to it is the bottom is flat. So the last bit of corn, you have to rake it in by hand or something like that, because it's not funneled down. Yeah, I think if they would made this more of a funnel, then it would be more efficient. But anyways, that's just at the end. The rest of it is great. My way of thinking is, instead of grinding it here and then putting it in a 55-gallon barrel, is I'm going to get a piece of plywood and cut it to go around the barrel, and then mount this to a 55-gallon barrel, and that way I can just transfer it from barrel to barrel. And but anyways, I'll show you how it works. It's not just really fast, but it does a pretty decent job. Yeah, it's a little loud. But you see how the corn doesn't fall down in the hole? So what we're going to do is we'll put a few more gallons in it. That way you can actually watch it work. See, there's the problem that I see. It's starting to starve, and then you have to rake the corn down in the hoe. Where if the hoe was papered, you wouldn't have that problem. So at the end, you kind of end up with something like this. You just open the gate back up and rake all this stuff in here. But I'll tell you something I did figure out. Don't leave this in your machine. It will get down in there and settle and get against the little knives and blades in there. And it's kind of hard to start it back up because it'll be jammed with corn. So I always just take my time, rake all this around, run it off in there. Which, I think that's a flaw in there. Close it back up or it'll spit the corn back out at you. And go ahead and grind. And go ahead and grind that a little bit because you don't want to leave it in the bottom. Because it will definitely get hung in your knife. But all you have to do is just reach and get the side of it. Pop it up a little bit. And there's your finished product. If you can see it for the sun. But it's about powder. Well, that's my opinion, and I hope that helps, guys.